Hello, now that you can see your future production reality, how late your orders are predicted to be, and what bottleneck resources will be causing that lateness, it's time to take a look at what you can do to fix it. This is where what ifs or alternate game plans come in. With PFM, you can set up an alternate game plan by adjusting what your capacity will be in the future. You can add or remove capacity completely or just for a specific time frame. Some examples of changing capacity would be to add a shift or overtime, add a machine. What if 2 production people go on vacation for a week in November? What if we get that big order? This what if could be looked at either what if we don't want to affect any other orders currently in production when we could get this new order to the client, or we could set a target date and see what effect this new order would have on all our existing commitments in terms of where they would be predicted to finish. When we do a what if, we can see the effect it would have on an OTD of all orders, or orders just for a specific customer. Similarly, we can see the revenue increase or decrease a change in capacity will have for our financial performance. You can also do the same using contribution margin or throughput dollars, which will then show the specific increase or decrease in profitability of the company that will result if the alternate game plan is actually implemented. In our next video, we will explore some key differences in PFM and what you may have tried in the past. See you there.